It's a problem that affects 90 million Americans, and it doesn't just affect the person who's snoring.
Zyppah RX is the new breakthrough in science, guaranteed to stop your snoring the moment you place it in your mouth. While you sleep, the muscles in your mouth and throat relax, blocking your airway and causing that dreadful snoring sound. Zyppah RX is the only device with breakthrough Z-Flex technology. It redirects the airflow, stopping snoring the very first night you use it, guaranteed. It's the miracle you've been waiting for.
It molds right to your mouth. It fits very comfortably.
The very first night that Juan used the Zyppah is the first time in 8 years that we slept the whole night through.
I feel rested the next day. It's made a huge difference in my life.
Zyppah RX self-molds, so it's incredibly comfortable. It's dentist designed and cleared by the FDA. It's safe and effective. We're so confident it'll work for you. We'll let you try it risk-free for 30 days for only $9.95, and that includes shipping. The Zyppah RX also comes with our guide to a better night's sleep and this protective travel case. So visit